How Matt Smith Real Estate Group has changed my life from where I was at before the company I was with. It's been a night and day difference from the environment, the team culture, accountability, guidance, you name it. It's been a complete blessing for my career and those I've been able to assist.
Matt Smith Real Estate Group has changed my life because one, it's really improved my mindset since starting. I'm a completely different person from when I first started, and also confidence. I used to preach fake confidence, basically fake it till you make it, but now I can confidently say that I'm actually confident.
Matt Smith Real Estate Group has changed my life by transforming my mindset, being able to change my personality professionally as well as personally. It's just helped me grow as a woman, as a realtor, a friend. It's just changed all aspects of my life.